Hello, and today we're going to talk about how to use Screencastify to record your screen to make a screencast or a recording of everything that's shown on your screen. All right, so the first thing that you need to do in order to use Screencastify is you need to be in your Google browser. You need to be in Google Chrome. And the next thing you're going to do is go to apps. So you're going to click on the apps menu and go to the web store. And then we're going to search the web store for Screencast-O-Matic. All right, Screencast-O-Matic is what we're going to be using today. So you're going to click that Add to Chrome button and then click Add Extension. And that is now going to add this blue icon right here for Screencast-O-Matic. And then you're going to tell it to launch the recorder. And it has to download a little piece of software. It's going to do its little thing. Okay. And then it's going to launch. Now, sometimes it may tell you, it may ask you to run it or some other thing like that. But now you should notice that you have this kind of checkered or dashed line with these other corners in the corners, right? And this will allow you to record either your entire browser or you can record just what's on your screen. So I can move these in like this to record just what appears on the main part of my screen if I don't want to record my tabs. Okay. All right. So now just a couple of things you want to check. These are the preferences right here or the settings. The maximum amount of time you can record is 15 minutes. You can record the screen or you can record your webcam if you have one. Notice I don't have a webcam attached, so it won't let me. And it also won't let me record both. But if you're using a Chromebook, you should have all of these options available. Okay. And then the size, it'll set it itself, or you can change this to the whole active window, full screen, or 720 or 780p. And then for narration, you want to check to make sure that your microphone, usually you're going to probably use the default microphone if you're using a Chromebook. If you're using a regular computer and not a laptop or a Chromebook of some kind, then you may need to attach a microphone because most regular computers don't have built-in microphones. And then since we're using the free version, you cannot record the computer audio. All right, under the preferences, you really don't need to go to the preferences, but there you can use the Alt P as a hotkey to pause it. You can change that. There's a couple of other things you can do with the preferences, but I never mess with them. So, okay, so once I'm done with that, I can exit out of the settings, and then I'm ready to just go ahead and hit record. But first thing I'm going to do is just go to gleanparkisd.com. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm going to set my margins the way I want them to be. All right, I don't want to, there we go. Okay, and then just hit that record button. And it's going to count you down, 3, 2, 1, go. And now you're ready to record. You just record whatever you want to say and you do whatever you want to do. So if I wanted to show you like under the student tab, how you could go find a class link, right? That's how I would do it. And then, you would sign in with your Google account like that. And it's as simple as that. Okay. And so you can easily narrate slideshows or any other things, web based things. Really, anything that you can put on your computer screen, you can narrate it while you're doing it. So you can do how to's or other types of narration. When you're done, you're going to hit that pause button and then hit done. So now I can say save it and upload. This gives me some options. I can save the video as a file, which is probably what you want to do, and then you can rename it. So I'm going to call this double screen cast test and publish. And you notice my video was only a couple minutes long, so I don't even know if it was a full minute long. So it doesn't take very long. If you had a full 15-minute video, it's going to take a couple of 3-4 minutes to actually complete itself. Then just hit done. And now I can find that video right here on my desktop, double screencast test, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so now I could upload that file to my Google Drive, right? So I can just go to my my Google Drive, and I can go up here to new file upload and upload that video from my desktop. Wherever it is. Oh, it's on my desktop, and it's right there, right? And I can just upload that video, and it should put it there. It is, double screencast. It takes a minute or two for it to fully render that video, and that's all you have to do.